question. I think that we're going to start to see a transformation in the types of the media. The memory media itself is going to evolve to provide lower latency, greater capacity, and greater performance. I think that we're going to see the fairly rapid adoption of new transport protocols, such as the non-volatile memory express over fabrics, because it more adequately addresses the needs of parallelism and the reduction of latency to make these systems more efficient. We're going to see a pretty significant increase in overall bandwidth across the internet as a result of the deployment of 5G and significant efficiencies in the trunk networking and core networking of the fundamental infrastructure of the internet. And this will enable us to get more reach, more access to sensors, to deal with the profusion of sensors, and ultimately provide us, unfortunately or fortunately, with even more data to work with. So data management is going to be an incredibly important aspect of this transformation to massive scale semi-autonomous computing.
Right, and I think just all this data that's going to be collected and having this technology, 5G, et cetera, to get it all back to some place that you can actually compute it and then run these algorithms is going to be incredible.
I'd say that what we want to do actually is start processing this data for relevance closer to the
local
edge.
Yeah.
We have 55 zettabytes of data created per year now, but the aggregate bandwidth of planet Earth is 11 zettabytes. So
wow.
We literally have 5 times as much data as we have transport to move it on. It is going to be essential because data growth is going to outstrip the growth of network bandwidth and, frankly, compute bandwidth considerably. To be able to process this data as close to the point of creation as possible and simply move the things that are relevant to us.
Yeah.